You're starving? You need food fast, and Mom's not here. Here are 7 quick snacks you can make in 3 minutes or less. Snack 1. Cereal and milk. Pour, add milk, eat. 1 minute. Done. Snack 2. Eggs in a pan. Crack, scramble, or fry, flip, and breakfast is ready in 3 minutes. Protein power. Snack 3. Toast and toppings. Bread in the toaster, butter on top, maybe add something. 2 minutes, and you're golden.
Snack 4. Veggie salad. Toss in a bowl, eat raw, fresh, healthy, and super fast. And
Snack 5. Yogurt with crackers. Dip and crunch. 1 minute. No cooking, 0 mess.
Snack 6. Hot porridge. Pick your choice. Oatmeal, semolina, or rolled oats. Boiling water, stir.
Snack 7. Fruit salad. Apple, banana, orange. Chop, mix, done. Natural sweetness, no sugar rush crash.
The best part? Each snack takes 1 to 3 minutes max. No waiting, no excuses, no, I'm too hungry to cook.
Everything you need is already in your kitchen. Cereal, eggs, bread, veggies, yogurt, porridge, fruit. You've got this. Pick one, make it, eat it, feel good. That's it. You're a snack master now. Stop saying there's nothing to eat. They're IS. Make it. Go!